Kay kung gusto ka modaog sa life, business, and personal journey nimo, dili lang motivation ang kailangan. You need the mindset of someone nga dili mo give up bisan unsa pa. No? So here are the 5 Navy SEAL mindsets nga maktabang nimo this year. Number 1, there is no tomorrow. Kung pwede nimo buhaton karon, buhata karon. Ayaw sig plano, ayaw sig postpone. Action today changes your life, not tomorrow. Number 2, never take your foot off the gas. So kung nagsugod na ka progress, ayaw kundangi. Ayaw kumpensa also. Success needs consistency and relentless effort. So number 3, keep the main thing the main thing. Daghan distractions sa life pero ang champion kay asa mo focus. Protektahi imong priorities. Focus sa pinaka-importante. Number 4, have a strict daily routine or structure. Dili permi na ang motivation, pero ang discipline na pwede nimo mabuhat adlaw-adlaw. So your routine keeps you moving bisag lisod na ang adlaw. Number 5, don't waste energy on what you cannot control. Ayaw tagay og power and stress, problema, ug tao nga dili nimo makontrol. Focus sa butang nga pwede nimo ma-improve, which is yourself. Right? Kung i-adapt nimo ni ng mga mindset, imong life will level up, not by luck, but by discipline. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and follow for more mindset success and financial coaching content.